Welcome.
Oh. But we did the conference. My name is Dr. Nwanosike Samuel, 9th of St. Christopher, Distinguished Star of the River State. Sitting with me here are members of the newly inaugurated RIWAMA Board. Alongside the Managing Director of RIWAMA. We are here to inform the general public that there is a new sheriff in town that is to manage the activities of RIWAMA. So I thank members of staff who have been patiently waiting for us all through today for us to conclude the swearing-in ceremony that just happened at the River State Government House by the administrator of the River State Government. We want to thank the River State Government for finding us worthy among the numerous men and women in River State to do this critical assignment. As you know, refuse is not an issue that is bedeviling government alone. It is also bedeviling citizens and those who live and do business in the state of River State. And we believe that in this new order, we should let the public know that things will have to be done differently in accordance with the RIWAMA law as approved and amended by the River State Assembly 2014. To also portray the point, this is the very first time the laws of River State as concerns RIWAMA is to be implemented fully. We have a board and we have a management team headed by the MD. For us, we need the cooperation of every Rivers indigene and those who live and do business in River State for us to succeed in achieving the cleanliness of the city. We are not ignorant of the fact that government all over the world has difficulties in raising the finances to do what they want to do. But we think with the laws available in River State and the finance available in River State and the cooperation from men and women who live in River State in obeying these laws, we can set River State to a path of cleanliness, and we will be proud that we did as River State. As a board, we assure you that with your cooperation and prayer and support, the MD and his team will give you a wonderful service. But moving forward, we want to state categorically clear that the following policies that you're used to as the public is hereby changed by this board. Number one, dumping of refuse in our median from today henceforth is banned and cancelled totally. Two, all refuse coming from every home, factory, industries or workplace or market must be banned before the RIWAMA contractors will pick them up. If your refuse are not bagged, don't bother expecting us to pick them. You can live with them in your living rooms. Bagging of refuse is now the new dawn. So we are asking the general public to please try and adjust and go back to the original order. But And that is the way we used to live in River State. Our refuge in River State used to be bad, and we're going back to bagging of refuse. It is going to be easy for both you who is disposing the waste and those who are also collecting the waste. 3, we are going back to the era of monthly environmental sanitation at the end of every Saturday. Starting from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And we want to put this note. Everybody involved in essential duty will have to apply to this agency 5 days minimum before that exercise for a pass that will be approved by this agency headed by the MD. No other authority, as enshrined in our law, has the right to issue a pass on Environmental Sanitation Day. Yes. We're also using this medium to invite all contractors, agents who work for RIWAMA for an emergency meeting tomorrow, 1 p.m. at the authority office. We want to know, why do we have the refuse crisis in River State? That meeting, there is no exemption. This is a public notice that should be taken seriously if you are a contractor or you do business with RIWAMA. We're also inviting the leadership of all markets, motor parks, or organizations who are in large-scale business. We're inviting their chairmen and secretaries to a meeting here in the authority premises on the 27th of August, 2025. The time of that meeting is 11 a.m. This should be taken very seriously. We're also appealing to the general public. Any law that is not enforced is not a law. It's a joke. We have taken this joke too far. The time to obey the laws of our land has come. And we are saying, please, parents, guardians and wards and industry heads should advise those managing their refuse and waste that there will be no scapegoats. We will not insult anybody, but we will make sure nobody is above the laws of RIWAMA. And we seize opportunity to enjoin all security agents to please give this agency the support. Without your support, the MD and his team cannot achieve all this board has spelled out for them to do. We're also inviting all security agents, all staffs and members of RIWAMA to a crucial general meeting on Monday, 25th of August, in this premises from 10 a.m. We want to interact with you and understand where we can help you serve this agency better. We're also, by this press conference, stating categorically clear that every agent or committee or team who are involved in activities concerning RIWAMA, whether you're a tax collector or you're an enforcement agent, all of them are hereby dissolved with immediate effect. Dealing with them, you are doing it at your own risk. The MD will inform you in the future when we put up our sanitation marshals and the teams that can do things with human face and do it with dignity and smartness. Thank you very much for coming to this emergency press conference, and we believe if we all work together, we can build a cleaner river state.
One, to provide social service, and then in the long run, as a commercial venture. Now, the intention of this agency and that of the government is to achieve these two objectives. But from what you can see, all that we've read here, they are our short-term, mid-term goals. That is rendering waste or managing waste as a as a social service. We are doing this in your own interest and in the interest of all. When we say you, we are also inclusive. The government is part of it. The public, everybody is part of it, because the waste, the menace of waste affects everyone. The health implication is there. The social nuisance is there. The disruption of activities, everything that, there is no aspect of waste that is good, except when we come to the wealth, conversion of waste into wealth. So we need everybody's cooperation and everybody's support so that we can return Port Harcourt back to its Garden City glory. We are out to fight waste in your own interest. Anybody that is not part of this mission, anybody that is not supporting this objective, you are a saboteur. And we are going to deal with you accordingly. When I say we are talking about the law that has created the agency and has empowered it to do so. Today, the action has started. As a matter of fact, my own thinking was, since the agency already have contractors and they are aware that a board like this have been instituted, even before our swearing in, which is today, I expect that the contractors, the waste contractors should get up and begin to do things differently. So we are going to do all that we can to make sure that we all succeed collectively. Where sensitization and education is required, we will do. As a matter of fact, part of what we are doing today is part of the sensitization, because as you go back and transmit, people that are not here will hear it. So we urge you all to send this message across and support us in this journey so that collectively we will achieve a cleaner river state and the benefit of all. Thank you, and God bless you. My name is Dr. Ibimina Wokoma.